Hello friends, AWS Cloud is one of the leading cloud vendor today in industry. It has multiple benefits that includes customer support service, that includes some of the proof of concepts that they encourage us to do freely, and so on and so forth, right? So if you see the overall market share of cloud vendor, AWS is leading in industry today. So there are many reasons. As I said earlier, it has a good customer service. It has a good proof of concepts, subscriptions that allows us to do some POC and so on and so forth. So let me talk few high-level component of AWS and take our learning journey to the next level. AWS number one, it has an infrastructure service that includes AWS EKS, AWS VM, that includes AWS network infrastructure, security, and so on. So that essentially will give you the infrastructure requirement for your solutions or for your software to deploy. Next, come to the AWS managed services. Unless and until you build a software, you cannot deploy into infrastructure. So in order to build that software, you have to require a database. So RDS is one of the premium database that we have. Under RDS, you can set up MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, and so on and so forth. Similarly, you have a data analytics solutions, AWS Kinesis, AWS Athena, which helps you to bring the data from different sources and bring in analytical solutions. Similarly, you have AWS SQS, SNS for notification and so on. So this is about the managed service at a high level. Now come to the AWS enterprise services, where you will deploy the Kinestream data for streaming. You have an AWS machine learning components for cognitive analytics and build intelligent solutions. You have an AWS, as I said, Kinesis, which is a streaming solutions. And therefore, AWS infrastructure, AWS managed service that includes RDS and so on, and AWS some of the enterprise solution that include machine learning and real streaming data. And last but not the least is AWS DevOps solutions, where AWS EKS, where you deploy your solution into a container-based orchestration tools, right? Which is essentially a underlying layer is a virtual machines which is highly scalable. So AWS EKS is one of the highly scalable infrastructure solutions, right? Which is primarily used by DevOps guys. Then you have an AWS code build to build the solutions and build the pipelines. So AWS has a number of components as far as DevOps solution is concerned. Need of the hour is to familiarize those tools and make our learning journey more meaningful and get more engaged in the industry for current and future requirements. With these thoughts, let me conclude. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye-bye.